Madonna mia! Madre di tutte le madri! It's magnificent. Just like you! Ingredients. Did you know there once was a woman who named herself and crowned herself the Queen of Sicily, also known as Cleopatra of Sicily. And I turned this legend, this myth, into a gorgeous recipe which has all my favorite ingredients. It's got pesto, it's got tomatoes, it's got incredible amounts of garlic. What else? Gorgeousness, just like you. A little garlic paste, but not too pasty. A sprinkle of salt. We're about to roast the tomatoes. We add some oregano. I've got fresh, but you can use dry. Some thyme. Pinch of salt. And now we do light brown sugar. Okay, the tomatoes are ready. Let's make a whipped ricotta pistachio pesto. Basil leaves, a little bit of pecorino, parmigiano, 1 garlic clove, pistachios, pine nuts, extra virgin olive oil. And now we whip the ricotta within it. Pasta water is boiling. Let's salt it. Pasta goes in. Pinze! Gorgeous. Guys, this is so good that you can even just eat this as is without the ricotta pesto. I mean, look at that. Roasted tomatoes, thyme, oregano and garlic, pasta. Sign me up. It's time for the pesto to go in. Tears of the pasta gods. Leccare questa. Ave Maria. Mi. Dai, sto cercando di trovare l'intonazione. And this is the Cleopatra of Sicily. Just gorgeous. Nonna would be proud. It's me. Hi, it's me! Guys, not only did this cookbook become a New York Times best-selling cookbook, but it has the Cleopatra of Sicily's recipe right here. You have to go and get this cookbook. It's just gorgeous. And the back, it's even more gorgeous. You know when something is so tastefully done and gorgeous and delicious, you just feel like singing. Has that ever happened to you? It would make me feel like singing if you would subscribe to this channel right now, in case you were wondering or doubtful about where your allegiance is. Subscribe now and stay gorgeous.